What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique Takira and today I'm going to show you how I got this simple little makeup look. Just using, the stuff I got laying around or whatever. I think I did a little something. I think I did a little something. I did a little something. I'm nowhere near, all them high-end, girls, but I did what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. Yes. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with this little Tarte mini primer. I'm not sure what the name of this primer is. I just bought it just to, see, because I haven't used a primer before and I didn't know how vital it really was to my makeup game. So if you guys have any suggestions on primers, let me know down in the comment section below. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some Mercier translucent powder. This is going to basically help my face to set and not move. Now I'm going to take this other sponge by Real Techniques and I'm going to apply my favorite foundation. It's the NARS Sheer Glow and I believe I am in the shade Cadiz. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, I believe. And I'm going to apply that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin and my mouth. While I let the concealer dry down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and apply my contour. I wish I could tell y'all what stick this is. I just know it's by Clinique. I'm not sure what shade it is. It's a bit rubbed off. Now with the same sponge I use for my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and blend in the concealer. Before I blend in the contour, I'm going to go ahead and apply another concealer. This is the NARS concealer in the shade Caramel. Now that I have that second concealer blended in, I'm going to go ahead and take two different brushes. I know the first one is like a buffer brush from Morphie, but the second one is so old, you guys, I really don't remember where I got it from. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend in the rest of that contour with my sponge. Using that Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. While I'm letting that bake, I'm going to go in with my brow gel by ColourPop. The eye look I did, I actually saw on Jackie Aina's channel. So basically what you do is take your bronzer and you put it in the crease of your eye, and then you're going to take your highlighter and put it in the center of the eye to give it a little pop. You can't really see what I did on my eyes because the light is a little too turned up right here, but you will be able to see it at the end of the video. I went ahead and applied that same highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm going to try my best to put the names of these brushes in the description box below. Hi, Bentley. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust that translucent powder off and apply my bronzer. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off with my setting spray. This is the MAC Studio FX one. Now I'm applying my Maybelline Snapscara, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but my Maybelline mascara. Now I'm going to take this red NYX lip pencil and outline my lips. Y'all, I'm not the best at outlining my lips. Like, do you outline the inner, the outer? Like, I'm not sure. So I messed up a little bit, but I'm going to fix it at the end. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this melted liquid lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Lady Boss.
And then she thought, oh yeah, I look cute.